This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So this is a Venkat. So I'm going to give the training on Talent ETL tool. Okay. So the course duration is 45 days, and so okay. So this is my phone number. So always you can contact me on this phone number at any point of time. So I'm having 9 years of experience in IT industry. Okay. So by using the Talent and data stage. Okay. So now let me come to the our talent. So what is the talent? Why we need to learn it? So there is a different types of programming languages, different types of tools are there in the market. So but why we need to specially learn it talent? If you learn talent, what are the benefits you will get it? Okay, anyone having some idea? Why should we learn it? Talent only, not other things. If you learn talent, what are the benefits you will get it? Anyone having idea, team? Just briefly.
It
Anyone
is the
having
open
idea, team?
source.
Okay, very good point. Very good. So that is the open source. Other than that, if you learn something, we should get beneficial, right? Okay, we can't simply learn anything. If you learn something, anything, not talent only. If you learn any technology, we should get some benefits. So suppose if you learn talent, what are the benefits you'll get it? Anyone having idea, team? Anyone working in ETL tools? Anyone working in ETL tools? No problem. No
No, sir.
issues. Yeah, go ahead. Somebody saying something. Go ahead. Yeah. So let me explain from my side. No issues. So there is a data warehousing concept. In the data warehousing means suppose I'm running one business. I want to analyze my business. So how my business going on, whether I'm doing the right path or not. I want to make some decisions means. So the data warehousing concept is came into the picture in the data warehousing concept. So there is a ETL tools and reporting tools are there in the market. Okay, so in the this is the talent is the ETL tool. Talent is a ETL tool. So ETL means ex- extract the data, transform the some T means transformation, load the data into the target. Okay, so there is a different types of ETL tools are there in the market. Talent, IBM Data Stage, Informatica, SAP BODS. Okay, so MSBI, like Ab initio. Okay, so there is a different types of reporting tools are there in the market. For example, Power BI, Power BI, SAP Vivo, SAP Vivo, Tableau. These are the reporting tools. Cognos. There is a n number of tools are there in the market. So in the ETL side, so these are all the old tools. Talent is the only one new tool. It is a open source. It is released in 2006. But for the past 3 years, it is a very good demand in the market. I can say for past 1 year, it is very good demand in the market. less resources are available, more openings in the market over the India, USA, Singapore, and Malaysia. Okay, even my students are there in the Malaysia. They are working from home. Okay, so when you learn talent, so this is the open source, right? So suppose assume that I want to develop a new project. Other ETL tool assume that 10 members required. Okay, for talent also assume that 10 members required. Okay, suppose other ETL tools I am purchasing the product cost 10 lakhs. Assume that 10 lakhs. The cost is 10 lakhs. Okay, other ETL tools. But when I come to the talent, I may get around 4 lakhs itself. 4 to 5 lakhs. Half of the amount I will save the cost for purchasing the product. See, so I want to provide the employees to the salary, right? So I'm already invested. Other ETL tools means already I have invested more cost for purchasing the product. So I may give a little bit less salary to employees when I go for other ETL tools. But when I come to the talent, I already saved the some amount for purchasing the product. Compare with other ETL tools, I'm saying. Compare with other ETL tools, I'm saving some amount for purchasing the product. If you go for licensed version also. Okay. So I can give compare with other ETL tools little bit more salary, right? Other ETL tools compare with other ETL tools, I can give for talent more salary, right? So that is the one of the major benefit you will get it. When you learn talent, major benefit you will get little bit high salary. Okay, so this is the one of the benefit. We are mainly working for salary purpose only, right? So our growth purpose, right? So obviously you will get more salary compared with other technologies. This is the one of the major benefit if you learn talent. And also it is easy to implement. Customer requirement. What are the customer is asking? So I can easily implement it by using simply drag and drop technique. I can use the simply drag and drop technique. I can develop the process. So
Venkat,
yes,
one question, Venkat. As you say,
yes,
it's a working tool, right? We need to purchase it again with the organizations if organization
yes.
want to use it.
Yeah, most of the companies, very good question, very good question. Some people may using open source only. Most of the
Hmm.
companies, so open source means some components maybe some functionalities maybe not be available. So that's why customer will go for licensed version.
Okay.
All the functionalities is not available in the open source. That's why the customer will go for the licensed one. Small
Okay.
companies, they are using open source. All MNCs, they are going for the licensed version.
Okay, Venkat. Okay.
Okay, so that is
Okay.
the cost. So like a simple word, less cost for purchasing the product. Talent, ETL
Okay,
talent.
Venkat. Yeah. Got it.
Okay, so so this is a simply drag and drop. It's not required programming language. So simply is required logical thinking power. Logical thinking power. If you are good with logical thinking, you are fit for this job. This talent ETL, any ETL, but talent also it is same logical thinking power is required, not programming language. The customer will give requirement. We have to think it, how to process the data from the source to destination. What are the components are we need to use it. So those component names, if we are aware now, so then we can easily survey it. Okay. So when I come to the market side, they have n number of openings in the market, n number of openings like TCS, Wipro, HCL, Deloitte, Vachusa, Accenture, IBM. For every company, all companies have lot of openings in the market. Even though Malaysia calls also they're getting work from home due to COVID. Okay, so that is the market side. So the course duration we are going to cover 45 days. So let me show you content. What are we are going to cover it? So in the course content, let me open the course content. Okay, so this is the my course content. We will start it. We'll provide the softwares, talent softwares. I will give you talent software. Previously it was able to download it from the talent website, but now it's not downloadable. Okay, so I will provide the talent software. What are the required software? I will provide it. I will take one separate class. I will explain it along with the data warehousing concept is required, basic data warehousing concept. So we'll explain the data warehousing concept. There is SQL, Oracle is required, basic SQL queries is required. We'll explain the basic SQLs also. So along with the talent. So there is a talent course, entire talent course will teach it. So along with we'll provide the real-time scenarios in the project scenarios. We'll explain it in project explanation, mock interviews, interview questions and answers. Will explain it. Okay, so we'll give more scenarios. So a lot of scenarios will explain it at the time of explaining the project explanation. Okay, so this is about the course content. So anyway, I will share this course content to you guys. Along with we will provide the each class recording. Each class, whatever I'm explaining the class today class, I will record it. I will give you. It is helpful for you to watch it. Okay, along with we already prepared the documents. So there is some documents are there we have prepared for you guys. So suppose talent documents, right? There is some around 20 documents are there. So it is clear steps. Suppose so what are the components, what it will do. So suppose for example, this is my source. So I want my target like this. I want, so how to do it with a clear step. With the screenshot I have attached it. So it is a easy to understand it. Okay, so all the screenshot, all the steps I have given how to implement the process. So it is helpful for you. Recordings are there, documents are also there. Even though I am also available, if at any point of time you can call me, we'll give the answers. Okay, if you stuck some point means. Okay, so this is the document sites. Okay, along with interview SQL also. For every documents we have prepared, like scenarios. There is a scenarios 9 sections, 8 documents are 8 or 9 documents are there. So how to implement the scenarios. This is the project scenarios. Okay, so along with the SQL, live project explanation, everything is there. Okay, we'll provide the recordings as well as documents. Okay, so this is about the document side. Now let me take some example. Let me explain it. Between any questions, team, so far, any questions you can ask me before going to class? Any questions between?
One question I
Sir,
have, like,
Yes,
I too have one
yes,
question, sir.
yeah. One person, please.
Mahesh, you
Then I
can go
will.
first.
yes,
Yeah,
okay, Deepika.
thank.
See, what is the minimum experience required to keep it in resume, Venkat? Like, example, like suppose maybe I have
We
10
will
years.
we will discuss it offline because if I'm recording the videos. Okay,
Okay,
so we'll
okay,
discuss offline these scenarios. Okay, because I'm
I can,
going to upload in YouTube.
sure, I'll ping you, Venkat, separately.
Yeah, Deepika, what is
Sir,
your question? Yes.
sir, what do you mean by data warehousing?
So data warehousing. Suppose assume that you have one retail store. Suppose assume that there is a Reliance shop is there. So there is a n number of branches, right? Suppose in the Bangalore one branch, Chennai they have n number of branches, Hyderabad they have n number of branches. Headquarter is Mumbai, right? So each business each day So they are selling some products, right? So which product their customer more preferable, more purchase items are going out, more selling products. Okay, so then the corresponding team, they will give the more product, they will sell it, right? So which product I'm selling the very less less sales, so I want to analyze it. So that analysis purpose, so whether I'm doing my business in the correct path or not, so I will make some decisions, okay, by using some data, right? So I will maintain the today's sales date, yesterday's sales detail, day before yesterday. I will maintain some
You
sales
mean, sir,
details.
a collection of data, sir?
Yeah, collection of data. So based on the collection of data, I can analyze it, my business. Okay, how it is going on my business, whether I'm getting the profits, whether I'm getting the loss. So how it is going my business, I want to analyze it. So this analysis is called as a data warehousing, the concept. We'll
Thank you,
explain you
sir.
in the full. Yeah, there is a, we have already documented, we'll explain you the time of explaining the data warehousing. So it is the clear, the documents I have already prepared it. Okay, we'll help you. Any other questions, team? Any
Hi
other
Venkat.
questions? Feel free to ask. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, can we learn Unix as well for this course?
Yeah,
Commands.
basic Unix, basic knowledge is required. Basic. Anyway, we'll explain you basic language also. Basic
Okay.
Unix.
Yeah, okay. What about shell scripting as well?
No, it's not required that much.
Thank you. Okay, thank you very much.
I mean,
So mainly
is there
required.
any preferred language is required to learn ETL?
So if you know basic SQL, it is good for understanding. Even though
Okay,
if it's not there, we are teaching, right? We are teaching, right, that basic SQL. So we'll take classes, we'll explain it. So that's why I have included in the document also, right? So we'll teach
okay,
it. So
okay.
you no
Minimum
need to,
required for the SQL.
yeah, basic SQL. That is the, so if you understand very well, even though we'll teach it basic SQL here. So along
Okay,
advanced
okay,
also we'll teach it here.
okay.
So
Fine, Venkat.
main thing is it my side. So you should be required one laptop for practice purpose after my class. I'm sure that everybody will get 100% job because of they have n number of openings, lot of openings. Okay, so just
Sir,
we have to put some effort.
how about the job market in
I
Europe?
have a question.
1%, yeah. Job market was very good, right? That's what I told, right? Demand is more in the market,
In
less
UK,
peoples are
sir.
there in the market. UK also, I have some students like in UK also. So it's a very good in the market. Now it is growing up in the UK. US is very good. UK now it is growing up because of
Sir, can I
what they
know
will
the
do.
difference between ETL and ETL testing?
ETL means so we'll develop the application. So that is the development. We will do it by using the some functionality. Suppose I want to do the some functionality I want to achieve means first we need to develop, right, that process. So that is the, here we are going to mainly teach in the development. In so testing means after developing the application. So whether that application is correctly working or not. So I want to verify, right? So that's why we'll use the testing. So testing is not that much good in the market. Okay, so mainly development. So if you learn from my side, you can go for the development. Okay, so along with production support, we can do product application. It's a live support. We can go for along with ETL testing.
So
Testing
you
also we
mean to
can
say
do.
talent is a part of development structure, right? ETL development.
We can do three types of jobs. So I have developed the job. So after that, what we have to do? We have to test it, right? That application
Testing,
correctly
yeah.
working or not. So
Yeah.
that is called as the testing. So then,
But if you want to go to testing part, do we need to do any other tool again apart from talent?
so ETL testing means it is required. SQL is very good required. It should be very good writing the queries. Okay. So
Okay.
now in my course we are not going for teaching testing, ETL testing. To okay, mainly we are focusing for development side. Okay,
Development.
we'll teach a development. but you can do it testing also, but you have to learn it SQL full advanced. Okay, so that is the one thing. Because of testing, because of most of the people will not preferable, because of you will, that is the salary is constant, it will not increase it for every time. If you go for development and production support, it is very good in the market, like demand is very more. Okay, so somebody will already developed it. What you have to do simply whether that is working or not, you have to verify it. For that case, means the salary is also very less, right? So that's why most of the preferable development. If you do some application development, so you have to think it, you have to develop it, how to achieve it. So that's why you will get more salaries. So development also easy, very easy, right? Simply drag and drop. We'll show you sample example now.
Okay, sir.
Can
Okay.
we expect ETL having web services, I mean REST also?
Yeah, yes, it is there. Everything we can do. There is a cloud support is there. By using the cloud, we can so compare with other ETL tools. Cloud is environment is very good for the talent. So we can connect web services by using the soaps and REST components are there.
Okay.
Okay, so now let me give any
Sir,
questions.
on which software does ETL work?
So ETL, there is a n number of ETL tools as we discussed just now, right? So there is a data stage, Informatica, Talent. So the Talent, this is also ETL. So we'll explain you. We will give the softwares also. This is the software. Talent is a tool. So I want to develop the application means we need to install something that is called as a software. The software will provide you. Okay. So you
Okay.
no need to learn all ETL tools. You can learn any one ETL tool. These are the old ETL tools. Now what the market is going on, they are converting other ETL tools to Talent because of I can easily implement the functionality along with cost wise is very less, right? So that's why customer is preferable. Talent, data stage to Talent, Informatica to Talent, MSBI to Talent. They are implementing now. So if upcoming future very good demand in the market, all ETL tools they may convert into the Talent. Okay, so that is the one of the advantage when you learn Talent. So now let me explain the one sample example. Let me take sample example. Let me explain it. Please observe guys carefully. So assume that I have some data in the text file guys. So let me open one text file. I have some data in the text file. So assume that there is a src emp file is there. Okay. So I want to read this text file. So my column names, employee number, employee name, job, salary, DEPT number. Okay. So what is the delimiter team? From one field to another field, something is separating. The separator we can call as the delimiter. What is the delimiter in this file team? One person tell me.
Comma.
Comma. Very good. Okay. So this is the text file, comma delimited file. I can say comma delimited file. So my requirement is, so I want to read this text file. I want to load uh, another text file. Okay. So I want to read this text file. This is my source. I want to read it. I want to load into another text file that is called as a target. Okay, then I want to load. I don't want to load all the records. I want to load only whose DEPT number equal to 10. Those records only I want to load it. Okay, so this is the E for reading, T for transformation. So T means ETL, load, L for loading. Okay, so I want to load only DEPT number equal to 10 records only. I want to load it. So DEPT number 10, how many records are there team in this file? Can somebody tell me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 records only I want to load into the my target. How to load in the talent, we'll see now. Please observe carefully, team. So this is the text file, right? I want to read the text file, means in the talent, we have to use one component is there. T file input delimited. By using the T file input delimited component, so I can read the text file. Along with I can read the CSV file also. So suppose I want to load into another text file, another target I want to load means, so I want to load, right? So that is the loading we can call as a T file output delimited. By using the T file output delimited, I can load into another file. Between I want to apply some business rule transformation. What is my transformation, team? Here I want to write the condition. What is my condition? DEPT number equal to 10. That records only I want to load it. So I want to load DEPT number 10 records, means in the talent there is one component. We can call as these are the components. T filter row component. By using the T filter row component, I can filter the data. Okay. So let me take it. So how to read it, how to apply the business rule, how to load into the target. So let me go for the talent. Please observe, guys. This is the text file, right? First, what we have to do, we have to import the metadata. Why we need to import means this is the list columns. I can manually add it. I don't want to do the manually. I want to have 100 columns. Automatically, I want to get it. So that's why we can import the table definition. How to import the table definition? Please observe carefully, team. Okay, this is a text file, means how to import the metadata means, let me go for the talent designer workspace. In the repository there is a metadata section. So there is a file delimiter. There is a file delimiter. In the file delimiter section, I can import the text files and CSV files. Right click the file delimiter, create a file delimiter, provide the file name. So what is my file name? srcemp, right? So srcemp. So let me give demo 10. So click on next. Which file I want to read it? Browse that file. Let me browse the file. So let me go for the source path. So there is a text files. srcmp file is there. Select the srcmp. So what is the delimiter in this file, team? Comma, right? Let me click on next. So there is a field separator. What is the field separator? My source file is coming. Comma, right? From employee number, employee name, it is separating comma. So the field separator is comma. So first record is a data or header record? Is there? First record is not a data, right? It is a header record. It is a column names, metadata. Okay, so it is a first record is a header, means how to make header means there is a one option here, header. Header is a disabled. First record is a header, not a data. So there is a one option here. Set heading row as a column name. Set heading row as a column names. Select this option. Refresh the preview. Okay. So click on next after selecting the field separator. After selecting the header, refresh the preview. Then click on finish. Click on next. So customer will give the document source to target mappings. As per the source to target mapping, we need to select the data types and length. Then click on finish. So now my metadata is ready. Now I want to develop the job, means there is a job designs. So let me go for job design. First we need to import the metadata. I have imported the metadata. I can use this metadata as a source. I want as a target. I can use it, whatever I want it. So now let me create a job. There is a job designs, create a job design. Provide the job name, for example, demo 10, right? So as I given demo 10, click and finish. So my designer workspace is opening. My designer workspace is opening. So there is some components right here. Palette. In the palette section, we can find the components. Okay. So my source, I already imported the meta, right? Demo 10. I already imported the metadata, right? So let me drag this metadata Can somebody find it? Demo 10. Where is demo 10? Where is demo 10? Can somebody find it? Okay.
Yeah,
So let me drag it. Let me drag this one. So I want to use it as an input. I want to read the data in the text file, means as we discussed earlier. What component I have to use it? T file input delimiter. So there is a T file input delimiter. Select this one. Click on OK. So I want load into another text file. So there is a file section, output section. What component I have to use it? T file output delimiter. Let me drag it. Simply select this one, drag it. So now between I want to apply business rule. What is the business rule? DEPT number 10. So I want to use some component, right? I want to write the some condition means. So there is a one component T filter row. There is a processing section. Am I audible? Somebody is asking something. So there is a one component T filter row. Let me select the T filter row, drag it. So now I want to process the data from the source to target. So let me give the mapping link. How to give it? Right click this option, row main. So right click this option, row filter. So double click the source, verify the properties, double click the T filter row component. What is my condition, team? Can somebody tell me what is my condition? What is the business
Use
rule?
DEPT 10.
Okay. So how to add the DEPT number 10 means there is a one plus symbol. Add the plus symbol. So there is a DEPT number column. Select the DEPT number. What is the equal to? What is the value, team? What is the value I need to pass it? 10. I want load only DEPT number 10. So now I have defined my condition, my business rule. I have defined it. Now let me go for output. Where I have to save the output? I need to save somewhere, right? So browse that path. There is a path here. Let me move to the target path. Okay, so let me give demo tzt target demo 10.txt. So let me field separator. So I want as a source, comma. So what is the include header? There is option include header. So my source is coming column names, right? My target also I want column names. So that is the include header option. We have to select it. So now let me save the job, file and save the job. There is a run tab. So I want to execute now. I want to process the data, right? So what we need to execute the process? How to execute the process means there is a run tab, run the job. See, my source having 10 records. My target is going 4 records. 4 records are valid records. It is loading into target. Let me open the output file. So in the target section, demo 10, I should see DEPT number 10 records. This is the way to read the text file by using the T file input delimiter. After applying the filter by using the T filter row. What is the use of T filter row means? I want to filter the data. I want to write the condition means by using the T filter row, I can filter the data. It will support single input. T filter row left side is called as input link, right side is called as output link. It will support single input, two output. One is the main output, one is the rejected data. Okay, so this is the 4 records are valid, 4 records are loaded into my target. See, DEPT number 10 records I'm loading into the target. Is it clear, team? Any questions so far? Is it clear, everybody? Any questions? Feel free to ask me.
Venkat, the components which you are using, right? It's all pre-built functionality of the talent only, right?
Pardon?
The components which you are using here, like for
Yeah,
input file, for output file, and for filtering purpose and all, it's and
yeah,
all pre-built functionality of the talent only.
yeah, predefined. Yes, you no need to define any coding. Just you have to, they will ask interview what they will ask it. Simple example. Let me give simple example here only. Suppose, so my source having some data. So this is my source data. I want to load whose value salary more than 5,000.
Okay.
So which component you will use it? So which component you
Filter.
will use, Tim? Now, which component? Forget about
Filter.
source target. I want to load. I have some data. I want load into my target. I don't want load all the records. I want load whose salary more than 5,000 records. Suppose assume that whose salary equal to 5,000. That record only I want to load it. Which component will use, Tim? That's it.
T
If you
filter.
know that by using the T filter, I can filter the data. That's it. You have to learn what is the use of T file input delimiter, what it will do. You have to learn it. T filter row, what it will do. What is the use of T filter row? What it will do, T file output delimiter. We have to learn it. This is the components. What is the use of these components? If you know, then we can use the proper component as per the customer requirement. We will develop it. Okay. So here let me write it. Suppose I don't want low, I want only salary 5,000, right? Let me run it. So let me go for a T file output delimiter. So so my file is already there, right? So what I have to do? So I want to delete this data. I want to rerun what are my new condition. I want to load the new condition data. I want to load means. So if my file is there, I don't want to fail the job means there is one option, advanced setting, uncheck throw an error if the file is already exist. Okay, now let me run the job. I should load only salary 5,000 records. Let me check it. I'm getting only one record. Let me check it. So salary 5,000. So now I want load salary greater than 5,000. So there is a greater than. So it may load some more record. 6 records are loaded. So see, 6 records. So I want load 5,000 also. If any record having 5, see 5,000 is not came. Why it's not came, Tim? I have defined the condition as a greater than. So now I want load 5,000 also greater than or equal to 5,000. So now let me run it. Even though 5,000 also it will load into my target. 7 records are loaded. Okay. So this is the way to load the data into the target. Is it clear, Tim? Any questions so far? So the class timings, guys, the class timings daily, Monday to Friday, this batch class, this batch. Monday to Friday, morning 7:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST, Indian time. Okay. So if you are interested to join the regular classes, tomorrow onwards, regular classes. Okay. So this is my phone number 9538160185. Okay. So the course fees is the 10,000 for everybody same only. No changes for everyone same because we are making equal for everyone here. Okay. Course fees is 10,000. If you're interested, you can contact this number. Okay. You can make a payment. So we'll let you know. So what is the payment methods and all. So we can allow two EMIs. First EMI is 5,000. Okay. So second EMI after 10 days. So you can pay the today 5,000 rupees. After 10 to 15 days, you can pay the remaining 5,000. So this is the payment methods. We will allow two installments. Okay. So if you are all who are all interested from tomorrow onwards regular classes, kindly make a registration. The registration is 5,000. Okay. Any questions between team? Feel free to ask me. This is the course fees 10,000. Yes, same for everybody. Because of we're not one person 9,000, one person 8, one person 11, one person 12, not like that. Okay, we are equal for everyone. Okay, any questions?
So you
Team?
will provide certificate of the course, sir?
Certification you have to write it. So that cost is around 9,000. You have to we have to register it. So you have to attempt the exam. You will clear it. My student, some people already cleared the exam also. Okay. So we have some materials for the certification materials. We will provide you also. So it is easy to clear the exam.
Does it need any
That is the.
experience, sir? If we go for any companies, they will ask for experience. No, right now we are freshers
We'll talk
only.
offline, guys. I told you last that time also, right? We'll talk offline those matters. I told you, right? I'm recording the session. I'm going to upload in YouTube. Okay, so we'll talk those matters in offline. So, any other questions, team? What are the possible things? Speak it here. If it's not able to speak those things, you can speak in offline. My team will explain.
Sir, is it Microsoft certified?
That is a talent certificate. The talent this tool developed by talent company. They will give you, not Microsoft. This is not
Okay.
Microsoft tool. So this is a talent company. They have developed the software. They will give you certification.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm stopping here. Who are all interested? So today you can make a registration 5,000 if you're interested. Okay. So no force. If you're interested, I'm sure that everybody 100% they will get job. So after course completion, 15 days to 3 months. I'm giving time. Within 3 months you will get job. I'm sure that. Okay, 100%. You will get job. That much level we are going to teach it. It may take 1 week, it may take 2 weeks, it may take 3 months. Thing is, you have to practice very well. You have to practice good. Without practice, nobody will crack the interview. I'm sure. If you simply you sit 3 months, later you can ask me not get job means that is not good. You have to take initiative day one itself. You have to plan it properly. You have to spend for every day 2 to 3 hours time, 1 hour class, 1.5 hour practice. 1 or 2 hours
Sir, will
practice
you
means
provide,
you will
sir,
get
will
job.
you
Yes,
provide access to system for practice?
yes, we'll give you. Okay, let me stop recording. So then I will answer some questions. So let me stop recording.